everyone. So today is Sunday, 17th March, and it is currently 12:41 p.m. And I don't have a to-do list today. So we'll start off with the first chapter of 11th grade mathematics, which is sets. So let's get started. We'll place a timer of 1 hour now. So this timer will end at 1:41 p.m. So let's see how this goes. I am quite excited. Let's get started with our first chapter of 11th grade syllabus. So firstly, I started watching a lecture of PW, but I think that lecture was not for the beginners. I think it was for revision or something. So I watched the lecture of Dear Sir next, and then I understood everything completely. So it's quite evident that I have taken up PCM in 11th grade and I'll appear for the JEE exam 2026. But if I talk about IITs, then I'm not sure about that, because if you get a good rank in the JEE exam, then you can apply to various other institutes in India except IITs and NITs, government institutes itself. So I will have to think about the courses which I'm going to pursue in college. My main goal right now is to qualify the JEE advanced exam with a good rank. The things that I learned today were quite easy, but I'm pretty sure that everything is just going to get tougher now. So, if we talk about how I'm going to study, then I will most probably study online, because in my city, Agartala, there aren't many options available. So, most probably, I'm just going to study online, as that's a better mode of learning. Now, if I talk about the courses, then I'm honestly extremely confused right now, because there are just a lot of options available, but you don't know which one is going to be the perfect for you. So I do have the subscription of Arjuna 2025, but I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to continue with that or not. I might take up the subscription of another batch. And no, I haven't purchased the modules of the batch. I will have to look up on the internet. I'll have to talk to some other seniors and I will have to find a way. But as of now, I'm just currently studying the NCRT, because I don't think that without learning the concepts of the NCRT, I will be able to solve any other questions. We talk about what I learned. So from NCRT physics, I could not understand anything exactly. Everything just went above my head. I have to study everything from scratch again. From chemistry, I understood 50% of what I learned, like what I watched on the lecture. And from maths, I understood 100% of whatever sir told us. So definitely, I will have to study harder from now on. And this was just a trial, and that's why I studied for 2 hours, 45 minutes on that day. But from tomorrow onwards, I will start studying for like 6 to 7 hours every day. Actually 7:12 p.m. and now we'll start studying again. So we will study the first chapter of physics, which is units and measurement. So let's place a timer of 1 hour now. So this timer will end at 8:12 p.m. Let's get started with the first chapter of class 11th physics. So here I was doing the chapter 1 of physics, which is unit and dimensions, and I was watching the lecture of physics wala. Also, if you're an IITian or if you have cracked the advanced exam, then it would be highly appreciated if you let us know about the books which you used in your preparation, like the coaching module or the reference books which you used, and was the coaching module enough for you, or which reference book you actually used, which reference book is harder or easier or whatever. Can you just let us know about that in the comments below? It would be very helpful for us beginners. Also, if you look at the syllabus, then it's literally so huge. Like, I have been warned about 11th grade since a very long time that it's going to be very hard. Everything is just going to change, and I can actually feel it at this point. It's just extremely hard. 8:36 p.m. Now we'll start off with the first chapter of chemistry. So let's place a timer of 45 minutes now. So this timer will end at 9:21 p.m. So let's get started with the first chapter of chemistry of 11th grade. Also, if I talk about my school, then I'm currently studying in a regular school. It's not a dummy school. So I'll have to talk to principal sir first regarding the compulsion of attendance. But from what I've heard from my seniors is that if your academics is well, then your attendance isn't always compulsory. Like, it's a conditional offers, you can say. So yeah, I'll have to talk to principal sir. If I find that the attendance is compulsory always, then I will change my school. Also, I don't think that I have an advantage or I'm starting early, because a lot of people start studying at like 8th or ninth grade for the competitive exams, and obviously they have a very big advantage. They know about all the concepts, at least the basics, and also they don't get shocked after seeing the syllabus of 11th grade. They know about everything. So I definitely have to study more than them, in such a way that that advantage does not become a disadvantage for me. Also, here I was watching the video from the channel of NCRT Wala, because at this point I just want to learn the concepts of the NCRT. So, ma'am was actually teaching us in a very good way, and even though I could only understand 50% of it, I am pretty sure that if I watch the lecture again, I will be able to understand the chapter completely. By the way, which stream have you opted for, and which competitive exam are you going to prepare for in the upcoming years for college? And have you decided your dream college? Do let me know about that in the comments below, because I'd actually be very interested in learning about that. 9:22 p.m. and I'm done with the 45 minutes lecture of chemistry. And I personally think that I should have started earlier. The syllabus is not easy. It isn't. And it's just the NCRT level which I'm reading currently. Afterwards, I'll have to practice some questions which are of the JE mains and advanced level. So that's going to be tougher. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I will definitely let you know about what I'm gonna do in future in the upcoming videos, because I am kind of confused right now as well. So we'll just talk about that in the upcoming videos. So that was it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye bye.